Today is day 2 for Family Law Week, and I want to talk about the most personal case I work, child custody. This is not about money. This is not about assets. This is about a child. And before I show you what my investigations looks like, I want you to understand something important. Custody investigations are different than any other investigation I do. Stay with me. Custody cases come to me from 3 different people: mothers, fathers, and grandfathers or grandparents, all of them fighting for the same thing: the truth about what is happening to their child when they're not there. Most people are trying to prove one of 3 things: an unfit parent, a dangerous environment, or a violation of the custody agreement. And in every single case, the child is at the center of everything. That is what drives this investigation. That is what drives me. Here's how I start every custody investigation. I ask every client to send me a synopsis of everything that happened. What happened, what they witnessed, what they are afraid of, and most importantly, what their goal is. And I reply with everything I need from them. Once I have it, I build a plan. And here's something I do that most investigators always skip. If I cannot achieve the goal before I even start this case, I say so before anyone spends any money on me. Because my job is not to take money. My job is to get results. Here's something everybody filing for custody need to understand. This is fundamentally different than child support, where the report alone typically produces a settlement. Custody is personal. Custody is contested. And custody almost always ends up in front of a judge. So from day one, I build everything with the courtroom in mind. Every timestamp, every photograph, every document observation, all of it ready to withstand cross-examination. Prepare for court from the beginning, because that is almost certainly where this is going to go. Let me tell you what I find most often in custody investigations. The most common and the most serious finding is a dangerous environment. And in the vast majority of cases, the danger does not come from the parents. It comes from the significant other, the new partner who is now spending time with that child, the person with the background who's never investigating. I have documented fathers leaving their child with their significant others without the other parent's knowledge overnight. I have documented child in an environment that no child should be exposed to. If you're not sure there's anything wrong, most of the time there isn't anything wrong. But if there's a history, that gives me exactly what I need to find it. I am very thorough on every custody case. I feel like a failure if I find nothing. So when you bring your case to Warstone, just know that I'm going to try my very best for your child every single time. If you're a parent or a grandparent who needs answer to what's happened to your child, call me. Don't wait. Don't hope that it's going to get better on its own. Call me and let's build a plan. Tomorrow, negligent cases. I'm Rogelio Guerra, Warstone Investigative and Security Services.